Have you ever thought about upgrading your business workflow using easy and convenient appointment scheduling software? Now, through EvoGate solution software, scheduling clients' meetings will be efficiently organized. When the client books an appointment, the software is going to generate a QR code which contains the name of the client, his personal information, the date and the time of the visit, and reserve a suitable meeting room. The client will be using the QR code to confirm his arrival. The receptionist or the security will scan the QR code. After that, the system will inform the employer of the client's arrival through a notification, and then print a card containing his information, making the procedure of his visit much simpler and comfortable. If regular clients or business partners book an appointment, the system can automatically generate a code which is valid for multiple visits. In addition, the system has a service in which every employer can confirm his schedule from his personal account. The system will make reports preparation and performance evaluation process more rhythmic, faster, and it will organize the business in a short period. EvoGate solution software. Make your business grow faster now.